Hi everybody, I'm Thelma. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Well, today I have for you a huge Dollar Tree haul and some of the things I haven't seen there before. When I come across them, I'll let you know. But I'm going to get started off with some from the floral section. I found these cute little, if I can get them untangled, little berries for Easter. This is orange ones. These are dark blue. I found some real dark pink ones. Real pale. I can get it on. They have a tendency to get stuck on the other limbs, like this one. Sorry, y'all. Anyway, there. This is a real light yellow, and these also have like little glitters on them to make them kind of shine, like a dew is on them. And then this one's a real light pale blue. And the last of those is it's like a greenish color with glitter on them too. And the leaves are real shiny, like it looks like they've got some gold in them, makes them real shiny. And then I picked up one thing of, it says just roses, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 roses on here, and aren't those just beautiful? They look real, but they're like satin, real nice. And then another one that says just roses on it too, but they're purple. 3, 4. There's 6 stems on this one, and I just think they're gorgeous to go in with if you make a floral arrangement with some roses and baby breaths. You can either stick the whole thing, or you can cut them down to here and put them in. And I only picked up one of them, and I picked up, those berries have a tendency to fall off. All you have to do is just stick them right back on the stem. I picked up 2 of these. They're just called berries too, and they're like a purple. I'll get these storage containers out of the way. I picked up 2 storage containers, and they're pretty big. They're about a 10 by 10 and probably 11 inches tall. And then I picked up 4 of these. These are different. They're a little bit bigger than the small ones at the Dollar Tree, but smaller than the big ones. This one is 11 inches this way, 11 inches this way, and from bottom to top, 8 inches. And these are the color like a smoked brown. There are other colors up there. I know there's black. And then I picked up some more of these. They have a blue see-through or clear lid on it, and when you hear a pop sound, then you know it's sealed. But I picked up about 3 or 4, about 4 of them. And kitty cat's been on it. 2 of these, and it has a white lid, and these are 5.2 quart. That's all it says. It doesn't say how many inches from top to bottom or left to right, and I forgot my ruler. Okay, now to get this out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is Line Garden. It goes with those fairy and gnome villages. I picked up 4 of these, and this is feels like real grass. It's some burlap, so you don't even have to buy the burlap to not burlap, Spanish moss. Burlap's for the rows of ribbon that I have to show you later. Okay, but look at this. It's got a little fence going all the way around. It's painted white, but right here and here they have cute little roses. And I went ahead and bought all 4 of them because I got online. I was going to buy them, and it's $1 a piece. That's 4. But then they wanted to charge, because this could not be shipped to store. It was $9.89 or something like that for shipping and handling. And I thought, now just wait. And I waited about 3 weeks, and I was able to get them. I picked up another one of these Easter bunnies with the little arrow pointing in the direction to go for the Easter bunnies this way. The egg hunt is this way, and the jelly bean trail is this way. And all the words are in glitter, and the egg has glitter on it, and so does the little bunny, his ears and nose, and the lines on this egg here. And I think it's absolutely perfect just the way it is. Maybe put a little bow right here or over here, but not a big one, just a small one. And I think that would do the trick. These are a repeat from last year. The big Easter bunny head and the little Easter bunny that is holding an egg. And his eyes there is popping up. I'm going to have to take some glue and glue that down. But what do you expect? It's no big deal. At least it was on there, and it's only $1, so it's well worth it. And I did not think I would get these, and they had some of these with the other like a rooster and stuff in front, and I kept looking and looking, and this one is, look at that, it's the gnomes, and I could not believe it, and it was hiding in the very back. It's a 12.5 inch by 18 inch, so I think I'll open it and show you this. I love it. It's beautiful. And it says, keep life simple. Look at that. And the string is way high. I can't even hold it in the camera at the same time as I show you the sign. But look at them gnomes. Aren't they? I love them. And just kind of fold this up so it doesn't get wrinkled up. Here's some more Easter. Picked up some more of the Easter mesh. These are the 6" by 5 yards. There's the purple, the blue, and the pink. And I picked up 3 more of these. They have, it's called Just Yarn, and this is the pink, and that's how thick it is. It's 131 yards by 120 meters by 2.11 ounces. It's 100% acrylic. So they had this, they had white, black, and I think a blue. Now this stuff is going fast. There's things like in the regular Crafter Square section that used to be pretty well in stock. You go now, you can't find it. I can't find the reef forms. I think it's the 14-inch reefs. Can't find them. I went back. I was going to get a couple more of these, and they're out of them. If you see it, grab it. Or when you go back, you might be out of luck. Now this is the 4 count, and make sure if they have these, that you can see the lines here, and it's the 4 count, because now they carry one that's just as straight as this, and like it might be a little bit bigger, but I didn't pay any attention, and I seen it, and I thought it was one of these. I kelp it, I used it, I just cut it in pieces. But this is the floral foam, and it is 38 by 66 by 83. I picked up 2 of these microfiber duster mop pads. They are 11.81 inch by 5.51 inch. And they're real fluffy. I think these will make some real nice gnome beards. But I picked up 2 of them for that. Sorry, y'all, I'm just grabbing stuff out of the bag so I can reach it better. I picked up some more of these at the count of 3 sponge dabbers. They have the small, the medium, and the large. Paint brushes, a 7-piece. Let's see, acrylic handle. I picked up, because I lost mine, the crochet hook. This is a 2 count of 4.0 milliliter by 4.5. And this one is 5 by 5.5. And I like the colors of them too. I picked up some more paint brushes. This one has 2 in it. It has the real big one here, and I think this is it. Yes, right there. A real thin point. And then I picked up these 2, all in the Crafter Square section. Now again, this is in the Crafter Square section, all these, this ribbon. There's, I call it Hunter Green. It's burlap. Yes, there it is. Burlap, 9 yards. And then there's the real pretty pink. It's also 9 foot. This is burlap with the lace on it. It's 9 foot too. And this one's 9 foot too, and it's the light brown with the red, I forget what that is, zigzags, I call it, zigzags. And the real pretty light green. It is 9 foot too. And then there's this jute cord. It's pink. I'm trying to get a piece out to show you. Let me see if I can. I can't, but they're 0.08 inch by 108 inch. And it's real, it's like just a jute rope, and they have brown, blue, this pink, and one other color I can't think of. Now here's some tin buckets. I picked up this one for spring. Look at all the butterflies on it. It's beautiful. And it's a light green, like a mint color. But look at all them butterflies going all the way around. We'll put that on the bottom. And then this one with all the flowers. And then this one with all the flowers. I'm down to almost my last few items. I picked up, to go with that village that I bought from the Dollar Tree online, I picked up this little fireplace. The entry door. And the welcome sign with the mushrooms. And then let me put this back down in here. The last thing I bought was 2 of these flower and garden. Yes, 2 of these flower and garden tin buckets. Take this one out because it'd be out of the plastic. That's what it looks like. And it has it on both sides. On that side and that side. Well, I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my channel or my video. And if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. It would really help my channel grow. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see any future videos and DIYs that I do from the Dollar Tree and a couple of other stores. And don't forget to hit that little bell right next to subscribe. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads. And leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you. Alright, thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.